This is a 50 years female patient complaining of bleeding PV since 5 months on and off, irregular bleeding, and it is a case of CA cervix. This is the uterus, this is the ovary, this is the urinary bladder, and what are the positive findings that we will discuss here. This is the urinary bladder and it is in the transverse view. If we see that this soft tissue of the uterus and the cervix, soft tissue of the uterus over here there is a hypoechoic area in the posterior bladder wall. If we take the transverse section, we can see here once again longitudinal section.
फोन बंद कर दो सर।
This is the posterior bladder wall, and tracing this bladder wall from right to left, we will see that this hypoechoic area is seen in the posterior bladder wall, which is suggestive of invading the posterior bladder wall. Now we are scanning from in the longitudinal section from right to left, and just observe the posterior bladder wall. We are going towards the left side. Here you can see this bladder wall. Inner mucosa is not seen invaded, just the outer layer of the bladder wall is involved. And here if we see this cystic tubular structure, it is the dilated ureter. If you put the color flow, it will not take the color flow. It is not taking color flow. And here we can see there is ureter opening into the bladder, and this mass is located, invading mass is located very close to the ureter. Because of this, आम फरी जाओ मारी बारी हाथ पीछे. Because of this left kidney is showing the hydronephrosis. It is due to the invasion of the mass, cervical mass, in the surrounding tissue, soft tissue. This is left kidney showing hydronephrosis. No any evidence of calculus. It is due to the mass invading the ureter and the posterior bladder wall. सीधा थी जाओ. Here there is the right kidney also showing hydronephrosis, but in the USG we don't see any finding of invading the right ureter. Maybe we can advise CT to evaluate further. This is the ovary. Over here it is showing thick wall, so it could be some involvement of the ovary also. This wall is very thick wall ovary. 50 years female patient generally don't have this kind of ovary, and it is measuring around 3.3 centimeter. This ovary size is not important, but the subjective feeling of this ovary having cyst with thick wall, and this uterus is uterus, margin of the uterus, they are very ill defined. If you see, this is the cervix and this is the body of the uterus, and we cannot see the definite margin of the uterus in some view. And this uterus is although this bladder is full, this uterus is still anti-flexed. So it could be that this body and the cervix, they are adhered with each other. And here we can see this hypoechoic mass also here. This could be some pathology, carcinoma of the cervix or something like that. We can advise CT scan further. And this margin of the uterus is endometrial margin of the uterus is also not well defined, although it is a little bit thin endometrium. But the main thing to observe is this the invading mass in the posterior bladder wall. Here you can see this mass is going outside the serosa of the uterus and is seen posterior to the bladder. If we put the vascularity, for checking the vascularity of the uterus, first of all you need to lower down this velocity scale. So first of all, keep the velocity roughly uh, 10 to 15. Here we had kept 13. So you can see here this vessel. This is some abnormal vessel. We don't see generally this kind of vessel in the uterus when we put the color flow. Here also there is something problematic over here in this area. It could be neovascularization due to CS cervix, and this mass, if we see the mass located posterior to the bladder, urinary bladder, is showing the vascularity over here. If we see in this view what I was talking about, the mass, this is the mass over here, this, and it is showing, see here, the vascularity. So if we see the color Doppler pulse wave, it is I think venous type of flow, venous flow, because this wave is flat throughout the in this transverse view. The invading mass here in the posterior bladder wall is like this. This is the uterus, and it is going beyond the serosa of the uterus.